get a feel for what the house is going to be like on the inside. The cabin, I should say. Because we got the metal on almost all of it. Of course, we're going to cover all that. It won't be exposed like that. Those beams, they'll be exposed, but nothing else. And that's about a 14 or 15 foot high peak up there. The top of the wall is 11 feet. All the big windows looking out to the creek. Kitchen over there. Bathroom. Kitchen has some great views too. You got these 3 big windows that have a view out to the field. And then the window over the sink has this awesome tree and the creek. I just wanted to give you a little demonstration of what we did today. So this is a live edge, right? Here's a really good example. That's a knot out of a tree. It split and busted and gnarled up, and there's a little bit of bark left. This is all bark in through here. Next one has bark all over it. We call that live edge. And it gives the wall really strong character. See down here, you can really see it. We've never done a house this way. We've seen it before. We like it because it helps the cabin fit in with nature around it. Nature doesn't grow in straight lines, if you didn't know that. Even a tree grows non-perfection. In other words, it's not always perfect. So we tried to build a cabin where it would blend in with the surroundings around it. And that's why we're going with the live edge. Severe storms are almost here, so I'm fixing to leave. I don't know if you can see up there, there's a big thunderhead blowing in. Wind's picking up, thunder's picking up, lightning's picking up. Coming in out of the Gulf, all that warm Gulf air coming up here and dropping all of its humidity and rain on us. Hope y'all enjoyed the day with us. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll always know when we post something. And be sure to click that notification button. It looks kind of like a bell. And if you'll click that button, it'll tell you when we post something new. So as we watch these 2 poplar trees sway in the wind, hope y'all have a great day.